is Liam, and I have always been interested in animals. This year, my focus was NZ birds, and I have grown quite fond of them. Doc has had a huge impact on me, and it is awesome to see that someone is actually noticing the birds' trouble and doing something about it. New Zealand birds are really special to me in New Zealand, either endemic, like the kiwi, which was here before the humans, native, like the silvereye, who flew over from Australia by itself, or introduced, like the skylark, who was brought to New Zealand by the Europeans. Whether it's endemic, native, or introduced, some of the birds' numbers are dropping rapidly, like the kakapo, with only 126 birds. Another is the take, with only 347 birds. Some reasons of population disappearances are A, pests, and B, poaching. All pests were introduced to New Zealand, but most of them are from the Europeans. Examples are stoats, rats, and possums. Poachers aren't a huge threat, but do exist here in NZ. Bye for now!